my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with famous John, who is a 15-year-old with Down syndrome, and he can ride a bike independently, and he's willing to help us with, I'm gonna tell him.
Good.
He's gonna help us with teaching bike riding skills. So we're going to do some of these skills on the, oh gosh, this is hard to read. The Bicycle Skills Course Instruction Manual that you can download online, not associated with me, but I do think it is rocking. And one of the skills they start off teaching is being able to ride. Once you can ride a bike, riding around, you start working on control. That you can get on and you can get off your bike and ride it straight. So what we're gonna do first is let's hop on your bike.
Hammer bike.
Hop on. Yep, let me make sure this is on.
It's on.
It's on. Whoa, man. Here we go. Okay. And I want you to take it down here to the beginning of this path. I want you to hop on this bike and I want you to ride all the way down to the camera. Stay this side of that pink line.
The full ride?
Pardon me?
Full.
Yeah, full ride this time. Can you believe it? Finally, you get to ride.
Finally!
I want you to stay on this side. When you get to the end, I want you to get off the bike. Stop and get off the bike. So get on and ride. Yep, stay over there. And when you get to the end, you're gonna stop the boat. Oh, go back and try again, my friend. Come on. This side of the pink line. There you go, there you go. Don't go! No, try it again, try it again. Between the pink line and the side, there you go. Keep coming, keep coming. Oh, come on. It's so tricky.
It's hard.
You want to try it again?
Start over.
Okay, let's start over. Let's try it again. Oh, get it. Stay in, stay in, stay in, stay in. Stay in, stay in, stay in. All right, hit the brakes and stop. Hit the brakes and stop. Oh! Nice job, John. So this is a 3-foot wide path. If you wanted to make it harder, John's not ready for it, but we could go with an 18-inch wide path. That's right between here and here. That's too hard for John right now, but that'd be the next level up. So I hope this is an idea to start working on control of bike riding.
Helmet on here.
Oh, your helmet's on there. It's all good.
Help. There you go.
There you go. I hope this is a good idea for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.